Tora. Man, you're probably named after that movie. This thing rattles. It's got a little clicky loosey thing in there. I want to start modifying my bike, but I'm constantly fixing your lack of quality control and your poor choice in components. Looks like there's just 2 screws back here, and then hopefully this thing will open up, come apart, and we can see inside here. There we go. Nothing. It's a snap together fitting. There's nothing we can do because that's just a quick, easy install. See, you got some glue, hot glue on your quick connect wires that go onto the 6-pin connector. Let's put a little hot glue down on those, just make those stop rattling. God damn it, China. Glue gun doesn't work. So, some kitchen silicone. Just squeeze it out and get it down and inside one of those things. That's all I think I need. That should do it. Can't tell just yet. You know what? I think I'm going to put a little bit more on the edge. Like that. And like that. That doesn't do it. I'll just have to turn the music up. Alright, so I'll just go back together. Oh, you saw it. It just kind of slips down like that. And make sure you get those top pieces underneath there. Easy peasy. Two 10mm bolts, 6-pin connector just plugs on and it goes back on. That's all there is. Stay tuned, subscribe. I got more repairs to this China bike that I gotta make before I can start modifying it.